that's the game. Come on, jump on out.
Watching the off-ride. Wherever I am, we couldn't come to the hopping and not do ice check. My #1 machine in the UK is my favourite machine of all. And there's some really stiff competitions. We've got some beautiful machines in the UK. A lot of them here tonight at the hopping. But this is just something else. We got the lasers tonight. See if we can get the lasers on later on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, full flash, smoke, lasers, smoke. It's a lot. It's a lot. Stunning as usual. Really stunning. Oh. Oh, here we go. Oh, no!
6, 5, 4, 3.
I hate the rocket. That's the one thing. Here we go. Oh, no! Here she goes. No messing around tonight, the hopping. Oh, we're straight into it. Here she goes. On comes the smoke. Oh, the only part I hate this, I can't rock. Come on, let's have it. Woo! Oh, lasers. Hashtag lasers.
Yes, okay, let's get the cars rocking out. Move your body, let's go. Yeah, come on, this is audience participation time. Let's get you high.
Here we go, hands up. Hold tight, here she goes. Hey! Hammer up! Oh my God! Woo! Oh! Oh! Wow! What a thing! Woo!
Hold tight, hold tight.
Hold tight! Woo! Wow!
Let's go, let's here, come on, come on.
I can barely turn this camera around!
Oh yes, relax.
Whoa! Woo!
We're gonna teach you.
Oh, it's good to be back!
Newcastle, are you ready?
Yay!
I can see you, I can't hear you. What was that? Somebody scream! There we are, there we are.
Wow!
Okay, okay, okay. I said okay, okay, okay.
Oi, oi, oi! Whoa! Wow!
Here we are.
What a stunner!
Hold tight, hold tight. Yes.
Woo! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Woo! Oh, God! Wow! Woo! Wow!
Okay, sit back, sit tight. We're gonna take you back. Let's go.
Terra's not messing about tonight. Opening night of the Hobbins. I think it's like a part job better than the one we had at Hull. Ice jet full flash. Here we go. Oh,
Jump on out, so this way, come on.
oh, here she goes.
Yeah, the last outside to the fast time. Are you ready out there? What was that? What was that? I said, are you ready? Yeah, Newcastle, let's do this now.
Okay. Wow, backward cycle. I dread to think how fast this is going to be. Here comes the smoke.
Ooh, smoky.
Such a son of a machine there. See the lasers on it as well. See if we get the lasers in. Yeah.